you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Tribe Beauty Bag. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received Tribe Beauty Bag for, I guess this would be June, July, because they do this every 2 months. It's bi-monthly subscription. So I would assume this is the June, July bag, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. Tribe Beauty does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. Well, I should say bag now. It used to come in a box. This is, I think, the third time I've been getting it in a bag, so, you know, when you're set in your ways. So this bag. So thank you so much, Tribe Beauty, for sending me your bag to show my viewers. Let's go ahead and dive in. This does feel nice and full and filled, so I'm super excited to see what is in here. So let's go ahead and dive in. All right, so we take everything out. Since it was kind of smashed, this box has seen a little bit better days. So let me find the card. There's no card in here? Or is it in between? No, wait, hold up. I guess I don't have a card this month. Maybe I don't get cards in this one. Every other month, sometimes I forget, but let's go ahead and get into this. This is Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Face Oil Limited Edition. So it says vegan friendly. Now I have got this before, and with the rose, I was a little like, oh my goodness, but it doesn't really smell like rose. It doesn't have that huge like artificial rose smell that gives me a headache. So I can tolerate this, and I liked it. So I'm glad to get another one now. So here is this right here. That is the bottle, and it has a little dropper right there. Ooh, you just fill it up, and yeah. So there's that guy right there. Again, this is a vegan friendly Dr. Botanicals. Moroccan rose oil contains high levels of vitamins A and C, which aim to rejuvenate the skin, even skin tone, and reduce visible signs of aging. Almond oil aims to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin while brightening and renewing the appearance of your skin, while vitamin E aims to prevent skin damage and protect against damage from free radicals thanks to its antioxidant properties. So that's amazing. So there is that item. Next we have, it says Chrome Glaze, by Pure. High Shine Lip Gloss by Pure Cosmetics. And this is in the color Rebel. Let's see what this is all about. Ooh, that is a pretty color. I'm into the darks. If you guys are following me, you kind of know that I've been kind of getting more into the darker cut. Ooh, that is really dark, but I'm gonna put it on. That is a pretty color, Rebel. All right, Rebel, let's see you. Let's see you on. So there's that. Same color as that. It's like a thick lip gloss with the color to it. Chrome Glaze High Shining Lip Gloss. It's a lip gloss. Yeah, I'm like, it's like a thick lip gloss. Duh. But I actually really like that color. I do. And it being a lip gloss, not a lipstick, I like it a lot. So there's item number 2. And now we have is a mascara XXL Extreme Lash Maximizer Black Velvet by Radial. Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. Radial, not quite sure. But let's see what this is like. Ooh, it's a nice thick size mascara. Then when you open it up, ooh, it's a nice big wand on there. Very nice. So we have a black mascara, yes. Now we have a face mask. This is by Masquerade. It says that there is 12 mini masks. Sweet Retreat. It looks like mini macaroons. And I think somebody told me I say that word wrong, but guess what? That's how I say it. So here is the face mask, and you have 12 little mini, they're all different like sweets. Look how cute. So you can put all these little sweets all over your face and target little areas instead of putting a whole sheet mask on your entire face. If you want to target certain spots, that's what is really good with the mini masks. So you can put them anywhere on your face. You can just do your cheeks, your forehead, your chin if you want, your trouble zones, your T-zones, whichever you would like, or you can just pile them all over your face and cover it. Whatever you want to do. But I do like getting these with the little mini masks. So you have a variety and you can do whatever you want. Next is inside of here. So I'm not quite sure what this little thing is. So let's see. Oop, we have lashes. We have lashes. We have lashes. Lashes and lashes. Whoo. Maybe they sent me. Lashes are a hottie's best friend. Hello, gorgeous. Thank you for supporting us, and we hope you enjoy your lash scoop of the month. Okay, so I bet you they also sent me their the lash thing too. This probably was not supposed to be in the box this month. So I think that they sent it to me this time, so at least I can show you guys. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to show you these, but then I'm going to put these in a giveaway. So one of you guys can actually enjoy them and use them. So I'll show you these, and then like I said, I'm going to put them right back in the bag, and I'll put these in a giveaway. So if you want to win the set of lashes, then they will be yours, because they sent them to me to show you guys. So I'd rather give them to you guys. So this is the first one right here, and this is the style Chia, C-H-I-A. Those look really pretty though. See, I wish I could, but I can't. I don't even want to attempt to put glue or anything near my eyes. I'll end up gluing my eyes shut. So I stay away. So there's this one, and these are all vegan, cruelty free, and it says 3D faux mink. So there's the first one. The second one is Fumi, F-U-M-I. Ooh, those are nice and full. Hello, look at me. Those are some full night out on the town lashes right there. So there's that. This one is T-E-H-I-L-A-H is the name of this style right there. Then this one is Terra. Ooh, those are nice and thick. Yeah, those are nice and thick. And then this one is Julie. Those are like almost like a natural look, like for like natural lash, because they're not so bold and thick, but they'll give you a little bit of length. So there's all 5. So they do have their this lash set now. You can buy a subscription for just lashes and get a set of lashes. I'm not sure if they do that every month or if it's every other month. Again, I kind of didn't look into it because I don't do anything with lashes, but I will go ahead and put these right back down in here, and I will tell you at the end of the video how you can win them. So let's go over the last product that is in the monthly bag. Let's get into this. This is the palette, and this is the one that I'm super excited about. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's get this out. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's still encased in a sealed bag or sealed container. As this thing is sealed, it's not in a container. This plastic is sealed around it. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like without the glare of the package on it. The front, there's the back. And it says it's the chocolate box. Introducing the chocolate box. This captivating hybrid palette boasts 2 huge, lavish, high beam highlighters and an endless collection of creamy chocolate hues. The chocolate box palette is a new iconic palette on the block, showcasing 18 ultra pigmented shades, 6 prismatic metallics, and 2 extra dimensional strobe powder highlights. This palette is like nothing else seen before. So here's the palette all by itself. Bring that gorgeousness in, take it in, look at everything. That is so pretty. I love all of the colors, and I love that there's 2 highlighters just bling right at you right from the center. So let's go ahead and let's swatch the highlighters, and then I will swatch the entire palette for you as well. Ooh, okay, look at those two highlights. Talk about bling bling. Every time you come around the corner, bling bling. Holy moly. Whoa. I have a little purple highlighter on, or else I would put this on right now. Let me just see if I can put a little over it and intensify what I've kind of got going on. Whoa. Hello, highlight. Ha 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 ha. Alrighty. Wow. That's some highlight right there. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, so let me swatch the palette. Okay, guys, so the top I did one side and then the other side. So here is the entire palette. I do really like the colors. When I kept saying chocolate bar, I was thinking there were gonna be a lot more browns, but then upon opening it, there's like my favorite colors, which there is browns, but there's also like the magentas, the pinkish, the peachish kind of like pale colors. And then these three with all these little like silks, I don't know, there's like other little colors in there. That must be the, what were they calling that one? The prismatic metallics. And yes, holy moly, look at that shadow. I can't wait to put that on my lower lid. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this palette. And yeah, and those highlighters though. I do like that they pop those bad boys right in the middle. So once you have your eyes done, you put your highlight, like you have everything in one palette. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm so glad that Tribe has because now we get it in this box, which I'm actually really, really excited. So with Tribe, they like to send you almost like a full face, not a complete face because everyone's foundation's different, brow products are different, but other than that, they try to generally send you a full face when they send you their box, and it's every other month, so you're not getting bombarded with a whole lot of makeup. It's just every other month. So there's 6 of them out of the year. And so we got the palettes, we got a mascara, we have a face oil, we have a lip product, and then we have a face mask. So I think this was a really good bag. I think this is probably one of my most favorites from them, to be quite honest. I'm really liking that palette. I'm very, very shocked on how much I'm liking that palette. And I really like this lip gloss by Pure. And I always like masks, so, and face oils, because I love skincare, and mascara is mascara, but I hear this is supposed to be a really good mascara. So I'm really excited to try that out. So we have the full palette, lip gloss, highlighter. Yes. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly bag. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, do you get Tribe Beauty? Are you wanting to get Tribe Beauty? Have you seen these items? Like, I'm really excited for this month. I am. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So if you want to know a little bit more about Tribe Beauty, you will receive a box of trendy to indie brands every 2 months. You'll get 5 beauty products worth over $100 for only $34.99 plus shipping. Tribe Beauty Box is 100% female-owned company. You will receive 5 full or deluxe size beauty products from trendy to independent and upcoming brands. Our beauty experts carefully select each item based on a staple product needed in each beauty kit, as well as current trends. Now, I do not know what they charge for their lash one, but this is another one that they have now. So now they have both options now. Now you know what the lash monthly would be, and that would be called, what are they calling it? Lash Scoop. So you can check out the Lash Scoop if you're interested, but if you do want to enter to win this, then all you have to do is comment down below Lash Scoop, because that's what this is called. Be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, to give back to those who are here actively and positively supporting me here on my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and be over the age of 18 and have a United States address for me to mail them to. I'll have this run for 2 weeks. I will use a random comment picker to cipher through, what was it again? Lash Scoop. Lash Scoop, just like that. Put it all together like they do right there. Lash Scoop, all in one word. I will have them cipher through the comments to choose one. If you are subscribed to me, I will comment back to your comment saying congratulations, you are the winner, and you have 48 hours to comment back to me. If you do not respond within 48 hours, I will use the random comment picker to choose another winner. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, along with the official end date, and when somebody does get picked, their name will be there, and it'll say, congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm, or if they have confirmed, would say confirmed. So if it still says has 48 hours to confirm, hold tight. I may have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. So that is all. Like this video, comment down below with lash scoop in one comment only. To enter, you can leave as many comments as you would like, but only one entering in for these lashes if you are interested in getting these lashes. And be over the age of 18, have a United States address, and that's it. Simple, sweet, and done. So that is everything, you guys. So until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.